walk with her.
Hey, Max.
You want to ride, Cowboy?
Are you going to walk with her or do you want me to?
Come right here. How old are you?
Mommy, do you walk with me?
I think you'll be okay.
No, I want you to walk.
You're 3. Well, guess what? You're
How am I
3.
supposed to get you on video?
You can't.
We're going to put you right here on Dale, okay?
Okay.
Oh, you got
I'll be there in
cowboy
just
hat
a
and
second.
everything. All right, hold on with both hands, okay?
Hey, Layla Belle on the horsey. Oh, okay.
His name is Banjo.
It's not so scary. See? It's not so scary, is it? I like that hat.
Hey, Layla. It's like, I'm going to get you.
See, is this fun, Bud?
Smile, Max.
Whoa, honey.
Hey, Banjo. He likes to eat cameras, and so, matter of fact,
Whole thing to get on video.
yeah.
If we could get it back out, that
This
is.
morning, and what was the other Pacific Cup?
She goes,
All
don't
right,
run, horsey.
whoa. Here we go, Cowboy.
All right, Layla.
Thank you. There you go. He's pooping.
Should we go on a horsey ride again later?
Thank you, horsey.